Number 1. Redtiger Dash Cam. The Redtiger Dash Cam is one of the most powerful and reliable dash cams that you can find on the market. It's a 2-in-1 front and rear dash cam, equipped with Ultra HD 4K resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p resolution for the rear camera. With its wide angle of 170 degrees in the front and 140 degrees in the rear, this dash cam captures every single detail on the road, leaving no blind spots behind. But what sets this dash cam apart from others is its superior night vision capabilities. Even under low light conditions, it can capture important details clearly thanks to its f1.5 aperture and HDR/WDR technology. But that's not all. The Redtiger dash cam also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity and a smart app control feature. Aside from viewing, playback, and managing your recordings, you can also download and edit videos directly from the app. And with its built-in GPS, it records your driving route, speed, and location for added safety while on the road. But what really makes this dash cam stand out is its reliable features for accident recording. With loop recording and G-sensor technology, it automatically saves and locks any collision videos. And even when your memory card is full, it continues to record seamlessly without missing a single moment. Plus, the 24-hour parking monitor function with time lapse ensures that you have evidence of any incidents while your car is parked.